Hey there, y'all. Wanted to provide a pretty important update on my 2020 Volvo V60 Cross Country because I hit 100,000 miles yesterday. So just wanted to make this quick video because I am giving the car to the collision center later to have my rear bumper fixed, as well as finish up some repairs from when I got rear-ended in February. I know I haven't filmed a video of the Volvo since the end of 2023, but just wanted to provide this update showing I've hit the milestone. Car's been fantastic. I'd recommend these spa Volvos, as they call them, to anyone. So if y'all have any questions about my ownership or have any content requests going forward, please let me know. Thank you.